Right, this Diwali has been extremely dhamakedar. What with biggies such as Apple, Lenovo, Samsung coming up with really cool and really innovative products, which I'm sure you guys would have cashed in on and gifted your loved ones a whole bunch of products for the festive season. But you know what? I'm pretty sure that you guys must have missed out on the smaller devices that were released around the same time. So today on Snap, I'm going to show you all the stuff that you missed out on this festive season. So I'm really happy with the products that I have found for you guys, and this is something that you have really missed out on, but worry not, I have them with me. And the first one, which has also caused a change in my appearance, are these glasses. As you must have seen already, I've actually used these glasses already earlier while testing out the products, and I have tested them out also. So these are not just ordinary glasses. These are camera eyewear. So essentially you can take pictures and record videos using just these glasses. All you have to do is you have to insert a micro SD card into them, and you can just, you know, on a click of a button, take a picture, or if you long press the button itself, you can actually just record a whole video. So all your memories can be captured anywhere you are. So the really cool thing about these glasses is the fact that they don't restrict you just to, you know, taking pictures or recording videos. You can actually change the lenses and you can adjust them according to whether you have power or not. So if you're wondering how the lenses are actually interchangeable, it's because the cameras are not in the lenses itself. So basically, we have the camera over here and the microphone over there, as to why you can record videos and you will record sound also. So priced at about 8,000 rupees, if you're one of those people who love being spies or really enjoy using spyware, this eyewear is the right product for you. Okay, so the next product is as quirky as this one, and I need to put these down carefully, you know, because they're super cool. So this is the next product. Now I know you've seen me test it out and you must be wondering what it is. It looks like an ordinary lamp, but it's not. It's a blow LED lamp. So essentially all you have to do is once you turn it on, you blow into the light and it comes on. So you can use this knob right here to increase or decrease the intensity of the light, and it's rechargeable. So once you charge it fully, the lamp is going to last you for 8 hours. This actually is a really cool Diwali gift. Actually, I wish I would have found this before Diwali, so you guys could have gifted this. So priced at about 2,800, it's a pretty cool item to, you know, constantly light up your life. Okay, so the last product on Snap today is a rare projection wooden digital clock. Now the cool thing about the clock over here is the fact that apart from telling time, very obviously, you can also check the temperature both in Fahrenheit and Celsius, as well as check the date. Now what I like about this is that it usually uses an adapter for it to charge, but while testing it out, I found out that you can actually use AAA batteries also, so it makes it portable. You can carry it around and place it anywhere. So even if you don't have a plug, you can use this clock. So depending on the sizes, and as you can see there are quite a few of them, the price for these clocks range from about 1,100 to 1,800. So if you're in a mood to have the time of your life, these quirky clocks are what you should be looking at. And now it's time for me to say goodbye. Ta-ta.